video. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS using in an Android application. So let's get started. So first, I will show you the layout which I've created in activity main.xml file. So this is the two. I have used two edit text and one button, and I've also given them VID. So let's get started. To use to allow our Android application to send SMS, you need to give permission for Android application that it is going to need uh, the permission to send SMS. To do that, we will in Android.manifest file, we'll just type uses permission. And we're just going to type send SMS. And just see that send SMS suggestion is here. We'll just add it. And here we can see the error that says that we need to add users feature tag. So I'm just going to click on it. So the error is pressed. So I'll move to main activity.kt file. So then I'm going to write code. So first of all, in main activity.kt file, I'm going to create a function. So the function name would be send the message. So here in this function, first of all, whatever the user will write in these two array text, and we store it in a variable. So my Android Studio is suggesting me to write this code, so I'm just going to write it. And now we will check. So earlier, what used to happen that if the developer has given permission in the manifest file, no extra permission was required from the user side. Okay. So nowadays, Google has enhanced the security, its regulations. I would say that if even if the Android we have given the permission that our application will be sending messages, the users still need to allow it. Without that, we cannot send messages through our Android application. So we need to handle that request. So going to check first if the user has allowed the permission. Check that after going to type text back on check self permission. So it is asking the parameters. It is type this, and it is the second parameter is which permission are we checking? So manifest permission on send SMS. Thing is recognizer dot permission grant. So this if block will check whether the permission is granted or not. So if the permission is granted, block will execute. So in if block will write so we'll come later to if block. So I'm just going to write what if the permission is not granted? What if the user has installed this Android application first time on its phone, his or her phone? So user the first time the Android application should ask from user. It needs the sending SMS permission. So we need to we need to ask that first. So for that, we'll just look at it in else block. So Android is suggesting, but still, empty. Right down. Request permission. This if best should send this message. So so you can choose whatever request code you want. Even you can choose it 100, but I'm just going to leave it at one. So this line of code, what it is doing, that it is asking the permission from the user that it that it needs to use send SMS permission. So what we will do after that, if the user allows it or denies it, we need to handle that. That we will just type um, request permission user. What this code will do, it will handle the first time if the uh, user allows the application to use to send SMS or just if request 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 the user allows permission, we are just going to send SMS. So just go to send message. Else, just going to display a closed message here. So if post this is the on request permission result. Ah, now we will write how to send messages. So first we are going to check the version of the Android application user is using. So for that, just going to write any block here. Fill in version investigation. It's greater than 30. So now since Jim goes to system service. This line can code this method can return now, so we need to handle that also. For that, you can use either try or test also. Just remove this block of code to a file one. Such. So it is asking that there's four parameters. The first one is the destination. So destination is the phone number. Second one we can just leave it to null. Third one is the message that we want to send. So this fifth one we can just set it to nothing. After the message is sent, this needs to display a post message. Section third. So for the Android version SDK level above 30, this code will be executed. And for below that, I just want to write in Ansible. So just write one plus manager equals to the same check get default. So this method is actually deprecated. The Android Studio doesn't recommend to use this method nowadays, but we can still use it if we are targeting the Android SDK level below 30. We need to use it, otherwise the requirement Apple that's send text message. So those pieces are there. So this is all the code that we need to write. Now we can just call it in our set comforting things. Then just call it send message. That's it. So let's start. And what application is okay. So it is asked. So which so it is asking for the permission and this line of code is executed. So if I say I can allow or I cannot allow this, if I allow it, there are some say. Well, so the message has been sent to this number, which is hi. So this is all about the program. If you like the video, so thank you everyone.